Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishnavi Rao and I'm from Bangalore. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos. If you guys enjoy such videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And today's video is a summer makeup look. So this look is under 5 minutes. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. It also includes prepping my skin, like includes a little bit of skincare and then some makeup. So I thought this would help you guys. I know you guys are graduating and like stepping into, higher studies or like work. So I thought this would help you guys. Okay, this is the look that I created. This is like super simple and super easy, and it does not look too much or too less. It's just perfect. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the routine. Okay, I'm fresh out of the shower and I'm going to start off with this cucumber gel, which is from Bubble Farm. It has a very soothing and cooling effect. So I let my skin soak in the product and this acts like a primer. Okay, the next step is going to be applying some moisturizer. I'm using the Chamomile face and body lotion from Bubble Farm again. You can use any moisturizer of your liking. And I'm going to move on to the sunscreen next. Here I'm using the Biotique Bio Veda, which has 75 plus SPF. It is summer here in Bangalore already, and the heat and the sun is really harsh. So sunscreen is a must. Even in winter, sunscreen is a must. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the makeup section, and I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. I usually conceal just my problem areas, which is my under eyes and dark spots around my chin. Now for the eyes, I'm going to start off with the Maybelline Hypergloss Eyeliner. I've always been a fan of liquid liners. That's exactly why I've been using this product for a very long time. And I'm going to do a light winged eyeliner. It's not really dramatic, but just subtle. Okay, now for the mascara, I'm using the Glossier Lash Slick. Now this is phenomenal. It makes your eyelashes look long and thick, yet does not feel heavy like other mascaras that I've used. It's not available in India, but if you have a friend coming back from the US, you can just ask them to get it. It's priced around $10. So that's somewhere close to 700 rupees. I know it's a little expensive for a mascara, but then it really lasts long, so it would be worth it. Now for the last step, I'm going to use my favorite. It's the lipstick. I'm using the MAC Ruby Woo. It is my signature lipstick. I really love this shade. I've been using this for the past 4 years and I have no complaints. This is my finishing touch. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you guys did, make sure to like, share and subscribe. You guys know the drill. It is free, so go ahead and do it. Also in the comment section below, let me know what sort of videos would you like to see next, and you know, your thoughts about this video. Leave the comments down below. I will reply to all of them. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.